morning, scholars. I'm going to do a really quick walkthrough because I know a lot of you guys don't have or haven't been in computer science, and so this is going to be entirely new to you. My dashboard might look a little bit different, but know that I am looking at the computer assignment too. So just so you know, this very first box right here is the read aloud. Last week I sent Bitly's. This week in all of your assignments, it's built in, and it's this read aloud is right here. So this will read through all of the questions for you. I think she does kind of tell you like, click this and it opens a tab. Little things like that. For questions 1, 2, and 3, my biggest suggestion is that you write down these questions before you start watching the video. So write down question 1, question 2, and write down question 3. Then you're going to go up and then watch this video right here. I think the screen on it at the very beginning, looks, it says like I think it's how computers work. I think it's like there's like a screen that says that. I started watching it, so it looks a little bit different. So you're going to answer those questions, and that's why I'm saying write them down. That way you can just write down your answers and then have it there. Then your next thing that you have to do, and this was, I know what was like getting a lot of you guys stuck, was this right here, those coding challenges, because you guys haven't done any coding yet. So you need to complete challenges 1 through 9, create your own musical tune, to create your own tune, and then create your own musical tune using 20 blocks and loops. So this is if you have Chrome, Firefox, Safari. This right here is going to be what you're going to use. If you happen to be on an iPhone, I don't know if this one will work on the iPhone, so that's why there's the alternate assignment here. Unfortunately, I don't know if I can show you the alternate assignment. I'll try to play around with it afterwards, and then if there's someone that needs help with the alternate assignment, do let me know, and then I'll try to make a walkthrough for that one. But for right now, I'm only going to do this one right here. So this is actually really fun and really cool. And so it opens up a new tab for your hour of code. You need to be paying attention to where the lights are over here. And if you need to, like, you can replay it, and like I would just kind of like write it down. That way you don't forget. But it does go through pretty slowly at first, and then things get a little bit more complicated after that. So you're going to click play the first tune, and it played C, G. So then I'm going to stack a couple of the play note blocks inside the when play clicked do. So I'm going to click and drag over my C. And if you notice, I'm getting it like lined up, and then there's kind of like the bold yellow. I'm going to match those two up. And then I'm going to put my G right underneath it. I know right now it looks like there's not space, but that's why that bold yellow is right there. And it's going to tell my note to play there. And then I click play tune. Congratulations, you're ready to go on to level 2. So now I have this here. So I missed that. So I'm going to hit play tune again. Okay, start coding. So I would be A, C, and then if I made a mistake and I did E or G and then E, when I click play that tune, you can tell mine's not right. So if I made a mistake, you would click play the tune again. Oh, and then I need to go back and start coding. So I made a mistake right here. So I'm going to remove those, just drag it back over here. It discards it here. And then put the right ones in. And then click play that tune. Awesome. Now I'm ready to proceed on to level 3. I am going to do a couple of these levels. I want you to practice kind of copying them down, because I'm going to get to a certain point and then let you know like what the code will start to look like. Good. So I'm going to start coding. So this is when it starts to get a little bit different. So because that C was played 3 times, I can use this button instead of dragging over 1, 2, 3 C's. I can have this click down where it will repeat it for me. So it was 3 times. I just need 1 C in there because it's going to play it 3 times. If I put 3 C's in there, it would be 3 times 3, which is way too many. And then click play that tune. and then it did it. Proceed to level 4. Okay, so this is, I could use this here again, where I'm putting the repeats in the blocks. I don't want to keep on doing too many of them. I think this might be my last one that I have to show you. So C, I think it was C, E, and that was repeated 3 times, and then a G. This is, if I wasn't paying attention, which I wasn't paying the best attention, I may have made a mistake, and that's okay. Good, okay. So if you notice on that one, I wish I could show, okay, I can. Okay, so with this right here, so I had only what was repeated in here, and then after the repeats, I put it down here. So then I can get it correct. Good. Oh, and now I have an email too. Okay. This is what I want to be able to show you. Okay, so for this one, now if you notice, I don't have all of my piano notes anymore. So this here, oops. So it says, look, all of the notes are combined in a single note block with a specific note in the drop-down menu. And then we have our repeat here. So now I can't get rid of it. There you go. Okay. It's not letting it play because I had that in the wrong spot. Cool. Why are you not going away? Start coding. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to try dragging my notes over. Perfect. So it was C, D, E, C. So now I can have, and I forgot if there was a note there afterward, but now I can put as many notes in here as I need to repeat at a time. Awesome. I'm going to hit cancel because I just wanted to show you guys again right here. When you need to change your note, you're doing the drop down to change your note. And then from here on, I had only gone up to about, I think, 8. I didn't finish 9. But what you're going to do is you're going to go through all of them. And then, oh, if you get stuck, I didn't even realize there was a hint. Oh, click on the hints too. If you're getting stuck, it's going to give you the tune up here. So if you keep on, like, you just can't remember what that note is, you have the hint up here, and then you can go through and see where it's repeated. So it's just trying to create those patterns. You're going to keep on going through all of this. It does get more challenging as you go higher up. So use the hints here. When you are done, you need to make sure that I don't have shown my URL bar, but you're going to make sure you copy and paste that. And then I think you get, this is what you're going to copy and paste and put in, I think it's question number 4. So when you're done, you can make your own song. So you can start dragging something over. You know, I can play, oh, this is like, it even has a lot more. So those of you that already do play music might know a little bit. I wonder if that will change anything. So as I drag all of this over, this is what you get to do when you create your own. You need to make sure that you have 20 different codes in your final one. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I could even keep on going and add some more stuff in here. So as I'm going, I want to make sure I have at least 20 steps. Oops, I clicked on the wrong thing. I should have clicked on play that tune and not create. But as you're going, you want to make sure you have at least 20 notes going. And then as you're going, this part right here, I don't know if you can see where my mouse is again, above play that tune, it's telling you you have 18 blocks left. So it's counting down for you. That way you don't have to sit there and count each of the blocks you have. But you want to make sure that you are using all of the blocks that you need to be, okay? And I think that's it. If you guys have any other questions, please, please, please send me a message on Canvas or to my email. My phone number, I think, is still up on Republic, or if you guys still have your Liger News, call me, text me, whatever you guys need, okay? Bye.